Hi guys, my name is Chetan and welcome to my channel English with CD. So today's topic is very interesting, something which can really improve your score, and it is about speaking tips. How you can increase your speaking band score from a 7 to at least an 8.59. So now before I go ahead, one thing I want to request you to please like the channel, comment, share and subscribe too, because I see that a lot of people do watch the video. However, I don't know what's the harm in subscribing. You just have to press a button and there's something which can really help you. Believe me, if you watch the videos regularly, you will certainly be gaining a lot of things in terms of speaking and other speaking modules too. You can use these things in your regular speaking too. So let's quickly go ahead with the tips. Now, the first thing is intonation. Now, I'm not sure if you're aware of the concept of intonation. However, let me quickly explain you. Intonation is basically means the voice up and down. Now, have you heard of news readers talking? You've heard songs. So in this, what happens is when you talk, you need to slow down, lower your pitch when it comes to something non-important, flat tone. However, when it's something important, raise your pitch. For example, I'll give you an example and you tell me how it sounds. So the sentence is, he's an excellent boy. Now, do you think that it is really making sense if you're saying someone is an excellent boy? No, I don't think so. There's no charm in hearing that. However, if you say he's an excellent boy, now that is the difference. And this is what, believe me, if you try in speaking, you can rock the table. The second thing is contractions. Now, there are simple contractions. For example, you say instead of could not, you say couldn't. That's one way. I'm talking about some different contractions which will not only be some very different in terms of speaking. However, I can assure you that this will certainly be raising your bar in speaking. And certainly, it will actually give you an edge when it comes to impressions as well. So, for example, as I said, could not becomes couldn't. However, you would not say couldn't, you'll say couldn't. Instead of would not, don't say wouldn't. The D should be silent, say wouldn't. Another word which you can use instead of should not, don't say shouldn't, say shouldn't. These are things, use them. The last and the final tip which I want to share today is when you speak, try guys to speak in a story format. Now don't speak flat. Now when I say story format, for example, the topic is to talk about a song you like the most. Now there are people who straight away thought that my favorite song is this. Now that sounds like a record. We are not robots, we're human beings, for heaven's sake. So we need to speak like them. Here what you can do, try to give an introduction about what do we understand by music. So you can say that music certainly is a thing which soothes your mind. It relaxes your soul from within. And when it comes to songs and music, I love listening to them. And my favorite genre is ghazals, as it really uplifts my mood and I feel very good when I listen to them. So this is one example I'm giving you. Try to give some introduction to it. And the rest, guys, I'll keep on coming up with the tips and tricks for speaking, writing another module show. So please subscribe the channel. Once again, I'm saying like it, share it, comment if there's anything you want to know or you like about the video, don't like about the video. I'll be more than happy to help you with anything. I can rectify as well if there's something you're not able to understand. I can do that as well. So don't worry about anything. So thank you so much for your time. You have a lovely day ahead. Bye-bye.